Welcome. If you've ever posted a story on Instagram and suddenly found your inbox filling up with replies you didn't really want, you're not alone. The good news is that Instagram has made it easier than ever to control who can respond to your stories, even when you're using Instagram on your PC. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to turn off story replies using the latest update on Instagram Web. First, open your browser and go to the Instagram website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your home screen, take a look at the bottom left corner. You'll see 3 horizontal lines there, which is the menu icon. Click on those 3 lines to open up more options. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage different aspects of your account. Now look for the section labeled Messages and Story Replies. Go ahead and click into that. Inside this section, you'll see an option called Story Replies. This is where you control who can respond to your stories. By default, Instagram usually allows replies from people you follow or everyone, depending on your settings. But if you want complete peace of mind, you can turn this off entirely.